Poppy, bring the book. Is that a line, Poppy? I don't understand why the sheik looks like Philip. Could we consult the author's text to make absolutely sure? What's that, Dad? Right. That's the line, Brooke. Love. We all know that you've worked in very classy places up in London where they let you make the play up as you go along. But we don't want that kind of thing here now, do we? No. Not when the author has provided us with such a considered and polished line of his own. And not when we are 2 lines away from the end of Act 1. And not at 1 o'clock in the morning. And not when we are just about to take our tea break before we all drop dead from exhaustion. We merely want to hear the line, "What's that, Dad?" That's all. Nothing else. I'm not being unreasonable, am I? Exit? Does it say exit? What? Oh, good Lord, heaven now if she's going to wash away her lenses. Brooke,